Have you ever felt like screaming? Edvard Munch sure did. Painted in 1893, The Scream is one of the most recognizable pieces of art worldwide. Edvard Munch, a Norwegian artist, created this masterpiece during a time of personal turmoil and societal upheaval. Legend has it that Munch was taking a leisurely stroll with friends when he was suddenly overwhelmed by an intense wave of anxiety. He later described feeling as though the sky was turning blood red and hearing an infinite scream passing through nature. It's this visceral experience that he captured in his painting. The Scream isn't just about one person feeling really sad. It's about how a lot of people felt scared and worried during the late 1800s. Back then, things were changing fast with factories popping up everywhere, and life felt uncertain. Munch painted this to show how people were feeling lost and alone.